Hello guys and welcome. In this video I will show you how to add or delete a memory from the ChatGPT app. So without wasting any time, let's get started by going to the App Store, and in the App Store you need to search ChatGPT in the search bar. So let's search ChatGPT. Here you can see ChatGPT is updated to the latest version. So that's all we wanted. Now what you want to do is simply tap on the open button here and ChatGPT interface will appear. Now what you need to do is simply tap on the two white lines in the top left corner of the screen. Here the settings icon will appear in the bottom middle. Simply tap on it. Now here what you need to do is simply tap on memory, and here you can type your nickname, your occupation and more about yourself. Once you type that, uh, if you think that it's not enough, you can simply tap on memory summary, and here you can add all of your memory. For now you can see I have editing related memory, so you can simply tap on the three dots and you can also delete and turn off memory from here. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Until next time, see you soon in another video.